Hi, Advanced Algebra 2 students. Welcome to week 5 of remote learning. This week we're going to learn 2 new concepts. They're the last concepts of Unit 8 sequences and series, and those 2 concepts are arithmetic series and geometric series. Series are just the sum of the sequence, so we'll be adding up terms of sequences in this last week. Let me walk you through it. Advanced Algebra 2, click on classwork. We still have the schedule up. And now you have worksheet 11 homework sheet and worksheet 12 homework sheet. The last 2 homework sheets to turn in, you're going to submit them in the exact same way that you submitted the last worksheets. Let's look at our schedule. So we're done with weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why they're grayed out. If for some reason you didn't submit any of those old worksheets that are grayed out, the links are still there. You can still complete them and submit them. And if your grade goes up by the grade that you earn on those worksheets, then I'll put them in the grade book for you. So again, feel free to go back to old material if you're missing anything. Week 5, to do Wednesday, watch this week 5 welcome video. Hopefully you're already watching it. Then watch this Learning Target 4 notes video, which is on arithmetic series, and take notes in your notebook, and complete and submit worksheet 11 on arithmetic series. On Friday, watch this Learning Target 5 notes video, that's on geometric series, and take notes in your notebook. And then you're going to complete the worksheet on geometric series, which is worksheet 12, and submit in the exact same way that we've submitted before. I also want to point out week 6, next week we have a review and test. The test is on all of Unit 8, sequences and series. So that includes all the material from the quizzes quiz, which is the introduction to sequences and series, common differences, common ratios, whether it's arithmetic or geometric, arithmetic sequences, including the explicit formula, geometric sequences, including the explicit formula, and then the 2 concepts that we're learning this week, arithmetic and geometric, finite and infinite series. Those will all be on your test next week. So that's all I have. If you have any questions for me or concerns, math related, unmath related, please, please, please feel free to let me know. I am here for you. I hope you guys are all well. I miss you so much. Yeah, let me know if you need anything. Have a great day.